going to go through these questions next. No help on these ones, so we're just going to have to do it all ourselves. So remember the question above, we can always refer back to that. The first thing we're going to do is label the equations 1 and 2. I'm just going to write them over here. 3x plus 2y equals 17, we'll call that equation 1. And 2x minus y equals 2, we'll label that equation 2. Now, I can't just turn this into 3x that easily, and I can't turn that into 2x very easily. So what I'm going to do is actually change both equations here and turn these both into 6x. So to do that, I would need to times equation 1 by 2, which would give me 6x plus 4y equals 34. I'll call that equation 3. And if I do equation 2 times 3, that should also give me a 6x here. 6x, if I triple this, I get minus 3y. And if I triple this, I get 6. We'll call that equation 4. Right, and if you got to this stage, you've already got some marks. Now I want to get rid of the x's by doing a subtraction. And I'm going to do this one, equation 3, take away equation 4. So 6x take away 6x, gets rid of them. 4y take away negative 3y. Be careful here. I would always just do this on your calculator if you're not sure. Obviously don't put a y in, just do 4 take away negative 3. And what it should show you is that that gives 7y. Because when we see these next to each other, we can turn them into a plus. So 7y, 34 take away 6 is 28. And we can divide both sides of this by 7 to find what y is. So y equals 4. Should get something nice. We're going to sub that in to one of the equations. Let's sub it into equation 2 this time. Doesn't really matter. So that gives me 2x minus y. Now I know that y is 4, so 2x minus 4 equals 2. We're going to solve this equation and then we're there. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides, so 2x equals 6, and then divide by 2, so x equals 3. And here's my solutions. Y equals 4 and x equals 3. Okay, and the next one, exactly the same sort of thing. I'm going to label the equations. 3x plus 3y equals 3. Okay, and I'm going to change these both into 12x. So I'm going to want to times equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. So that gives me 12x plus 6y equals negative 24. And on this one, 12x plus 12y equals negative 12. Okay, and this time I'm going to do equation 4 take away equation 3. 12x take away 12x gets rid of them. 12y take away 6y leaves 6y. And negative 12 take away negative 24. It's only these two that can combine to make a plus. So negative 12 plus 24 is positive 12. So 6y is 12, that means y must be 2. We're going to sub that back in to equation 1 to find out what x is. So 4x plus, now instead of 2y, I know that y is 2, so this is 2 times 2, which is 4. And then solving that by taking away 4, 4x equals negative 12, and then divide by 4, x equals negative 3. So my answers are y equals 2 and x equals negative 3.